In this very simple tutorial, I'll show you guys how to redeem coupon codes inside of Temu in 2025. This will work for every device. Make sure you watch this video to the end so you don't miss any important steps. First thing you want to do is obviously you need to buy an item in order for you to redeem the coupon codes. So first thing you want to do is just pick something that you want to buy inside of Temu. Once you have your stuff picked out, just click on checkout. Once you have your items picked out, just scroll down till you see the payment methods. Now, as you can see here, there are a lot of payment methods. Now, what you want to do is just scroll all the way down till you see apply coupon code. Once you're here, it's gonna be you'll be able to redeem your coupon code that you found, whether it's from a website or anywhere, or Temu has given you a coupon code. So once you're here, just copy and paste the coupon code in here, and once you have the code in, just click on apply. Once you have it applied, you'll be able to get some sort of discount on Temu. Now just click on submit order and make sure your address is correct. Now if this video helped you, make sure you subscribe and like.